Hey, it's Eric with RideLabs, and today I take you up to Timpooneke to check out some of the loops and try and get some drone shots. And I don't ride very far, but I do crash my drone a lot of times, so hope you enjoy. Well, everything seems to be melting very quickly. Going towards Timpooneke. Some of you have been asking for the drone shots. Where are the drone shots? If you don't try, you can't win. The hard part is that the drone crashes sometimes, and it's also hard to kind of control the drone while you're trying to focus on riding. And since you're being filmed, it's kind of like, this is looking really bad because I'm worried about the drone and making sure it's not going to crash. Anyway, it's super fun to do sometimes, and sometimes it's a crazy adventure. So sometimes to avoid the stress, I just don't even get the drone out. Okay, top of one of the loops. Don't hit the post, that would hurt. I almost looped out. Don't have have much manualing experience in trying to get the courage to figure it out. Hey, it's Eric with RideLabs, and I really enjoy making these films for you. Hope you enjoy watching them. I see a lot of people watching them. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. That's what really gets me excited and motivates me to make more of these films. And if you hate the videos, you know, I'm sorry. Some people just hate them. So anyway, if you don't hate them, awesome. If you do hate them, there's other probably better YouTubers out there, but I do enjoy doing it, and so subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and thanks so much for watching.